Dear kids, hope you all are well. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to have a class on English, and for today's class I have chosen the book Active English Workbook Part 1, as we have done so many grammatical items till now, so it's good to go through some of the items from Active English Workbook. So as you know, on the previous classes, we have discussed the item number 28, and item number 28 is divided into two pages. On the earlier class, we have discussed the very first page of item number 28, that was page number 39. So now it's turn for the next one. So the next page is page number 40. Hope you got it. Before going to the class, I would like to ask you for your Active English workbook, and along with your Active English workbook, you will have to have your particulars like pencil or pen, anyone that you would like to. But I think pencil will be the best, so that you can give it a correction if it's needed. Okay. So it's item number 28. I repeat, it's item number 28, page number 40. Got it? So I'm not going to draw the pictures again here on the screen. As you have your book, you can easily find the pictures out. All that I will give you the instructions, and I will help you to solve the answers. So number one, it's in the number one picture. Let me tell you one thing, that on the previous lessons we have seen the items are quite easy for you, because the only thing that you do is that you have to go through the pictures and along with the clues. So the picture is a kind of clue for you. Okay, all the answers are hidden into the picture. So if you once get the pictures rightly, then you can go to the right way, like you can solve every question. So on the very first picture, we can see a man is driving a bus. It looks quite it looks like a bus to me. I don't know, what do you think? I hope you also sense the same. Doesn't it look like a bus? Yes, it looks like a bus. So number one, here a man is driving a bus. That means he is the driver of the bus. So the question is, the number one is done for us. Is he painting a picture? Is he painting a picture? Does he same as an artist? No, he is not painting a picture. Rather, he is driving a bus. Okay, because the picture says that he is not a painter or he is not an artist. He is a driver. So is he painting a picture? No, he is not painting a picture. He is driving a bus. Okay. So now number two, coming to the next one, you got the point. So similarly, number two will be in the same way. Like you have to you have to be concentrated on the picture, and seeing the picture you have to find out the question and the answer. Okay. Here one thing is that if the picture is about a girl, of course you have to use the pronoun she. If it is about a man or a boy, then you have to use the pronoun he. It's a very simple thing. We know where to use he, where to use her, or she, him, his. Okay. So number two, in the number two picture, I can see a girl is smelling something. Here a flower and a girl. So a girl is smelling the flower. Okay. So the question is here, is she making a cake? Is she making a cake? The bold letters are the missing words. Okay. So is she making a cake? Miss already told you that if it is a girl, then we have to use the pronoun she. So with she, we use the auxiliary verb is. And if it is a question, then of course the auxiliary verb appears at the very first. Okay. So is she making a cake? Do you think that she is making a cake? No, she is not. She is not making a cake. So what is she doing? She is smelling a flower. No, she is not making a cake. So after giving the after giving the wrong, is the negative statement, then you have to put the correct one also. Like, yeah, she is smelling a flower. Now number three is also the same. Here a picture is given that a girl is baking something. A girl is making a cake. Okay, because here a cake on the table in front of her, so she is maybe she is spreading the cream on the cake. So she is making a cake, but the question is that, is she brushing the floor? Is she brushing the floor? No, she is not mopping anything. She is not brushing anything. She is making a cake. So the question is she brushing the floor? No, she is not brushing the floor. Please note it down right now in the book. No, she is not brushing the floor. Got it? So what is she doing basically? She is making a cake. Okay, she is making a cake. So you have to put the correct pronoun, and along with the pronoun you have to put the correct auxiliary verb also. The trick is that you have already given clues, you have already given the picture, okay, and you have already also given the portion of the answers. So all that you need to do is to fill the gaps with the correct pronoun, with the correct auxiliary verb, and sometimes with the correct extension. Extension means the correct words to complete a sentence, okay, the ending part of the sentence, okay. এখানে কিন্তু তোমাকে আংশিকভাবে অনেক কিছুই দিয়ে দেওয়া আছে। তুমি শুধু ম্যাক্সিমাম ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যেটা দেখতে পাই সেটা হলো আমাদের একটা WH কোয়েশ্চেন বানিয়ে নিতে হয়, আর শেষের দিকে আমাদের একটু প্রোনাউন কোনটা সাবজেক্ট কোথায় হবে, অক্সিলারি ভার্ব কোথায় হবে, সেটাই শুধু আমাদের একটু বসিয়ে দিতে হয়, তাই না? সো ইটস রিয়েলি ভেরি ইজি if you are little bit concentrated on the lesson, you can easily get it. So number 4, here we can see a boy is playing with a balloon. So he is actually blowing up a balloon. Okay, আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সে বেলুনটা ফুলাচ্ছে। So he is তো বেলুন ফোলানো, এটাকে ইংরেজিতে কি বলে? blowing up. Okay, so it's not balloon, it's balloon. Okay, so is the question is he listening to the radio? Do you can you see any radio? Can you see any radio in the picture? No, there's no radio. So is he listening to the radio? No, he is not listening to the radio. Then what is he doing? See, after every negative statement, যদি তোমার মনে হয় যে কোশ্চেনটা তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়েছে সেটার উত্তর এটি নয়, তাহলে তো তুমি লিখবে no, this is not, or he is not listening to the radio, or she is not brushing the floor, or তুমি যেটাই নো দিয়ে লিখবে সেটা লেখার পর তোমাকে আবার ট্রু স্টেটমেন্টটা দিতে হবে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি হোয়াট ওয়াজ হি ডুইং, ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেনশন দ্যাট অলসো। ওকে, তুমি আসলে ছবিতে কি বলা হচ্ছে সেটা কিন্তু লাস্টের লাইনে অবশ্যই তোমাকে উল্লেখ করে দিতে হবে। দিস ইজ দ্য ওয়ান মোর থিং দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু গো থ্রু। টিল নাও অন দ্য প্রিভিয়াস লেসন্স you just put the negative statement or the positive statement, but in this item, along with the negative statement, you have to put the correct answer also, that what was actually the person doing, or what was the picture describing, okay, or what the picture is about. So here, no, he is not listening to the radio, rather he is blowing up a balloon. Okay, so blowing up a balloon, this extension is already given. The gaps are about he and is, so you have to put the correct pronoun he and the correct auxiliary verb is. That's it. So let us go through once again. That is he painting a picture? No, he is not painting a picture, he is driving a bus. Please match the questions with your book, that so that we can go thoroughly. Number 2, is she making a cake? No, she is not making a cake, she is smelling a flower. Number 3, is she brushing the floor? No, she is not brushing the floor, she is making a cake. Number 4, is he listening to the radio? No, he is not listening to the radio. What is he doing? He is blowing up a balloon. Now, I hope you got the point. So there's a homework for you. I hope you already have noted it down. So let us go through the homework. So after going through the page, I hope you already got the proper idea. Now on the similar examples, you can go through the last one. So the last one is for your homework. As for your homework, I have given page number 40, the 5 number task from page number 40. I repeat, it's task number 5, number 5 picture. Okay, we can see in the 5 number picture. Okay, let me help you one thing, that the girl is actually touching her here. Okay, it's a girl. So for a girl, we will use the pronoun she. So what is she touching her right here? Right here? No, she is not touching her right here. She is touching the left ear. Okay. So this one is the homework for you. Please go through the homework and click a picture of your homework so that I can give you the proper feedback and upload it into the Google Classroom. We will meet very soon on the next class with a new item. Till then, keep practicing the previous items along with the new ones. Stay well and stay safe.